In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the big face effect in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where it lives in the menus and how to get it onto your clip in just a few clicks, whether you're on mobile or desktop. First, open CapCut. Give the app a second to load your workspace. If you're opening an existing project, that's fine. If a blank timeline appears, that's fine too. All we need is for the editor to be ready so we can bring in a photo or clip to work with. Next, add your image. Choose a photo with a clear, well-lit face pointed toward the camera for best results. If you prefer, you can use a short video clip instead. The effect works on both. Import it and make sure it sits on the main timeline so CapCut can analyze the face properly. If there are multiple faces, CapCut will usually pick the most prominent one automatically. Now, click Effects. On mobile, you'll see Effects along the bottom toolbar. On desktop, it may appear above the timeline or in the left panel. This is where visual overlays and stylized looks live, and it's the door to the feature we're after. From here, head into Body Effects. CapCut groups effects by what they target. Video effects tend to stylize the whole frame, while body effects look for people in the shot and respond to them. Because we want to transform the face area, this is the correct category. Inside body effects, choose Funny Faces. This subcategory bundles playful, face-distorting options. If your list is long, use the search bar and type Funny to narrow things down. You should see a few comedic options appear right away. Finally, select Big Head. In CapCut, the big face concept is labeled Big Head. Tap or click it once, and CapCut will preview it on your image or clip. You'll notice the head inflates while the body remains normal. That's how you know you're in the right place. If the preview looks good, confirm to apply. CapCut tracks the face automatically, and on most devices, it adds an effect layer aligned with your media. If your timeline is longer than the preview, make sure the effect spans the portion you want by keeping your media and effect highlighted together. If you don't see Big Head, try updating CapCut. Switch from video effects to body effects, or use the search bar for Big Head. Regional effect packs can vary, so refreshing your effect library often helps. That's it. Open CapCut, add your image, go to Effects, then Body Effects, pick Funny Faces, and select Big Head. You're ready to create that classic big face look in seconds.